There's a girl by the tracks. It is written by Devan Kanal. Nobody dared to go where this youngster did. Before going to the lesson, children, here we have four characters. That is, one is Baleshwar Mishra, and another one is Roma Talreja. Third one is Dinesh Talreja, Roma's brother. The tempo truck driver. Four characters are here in this lesson, children. And before reading the lesson, we will have a content here. That is, as I told you all, note. What did I say? This is a book note for you all. That is suburban. The meanings. Suburban of a place outside a city. So you have to underline this in your textbook. When I go through the lesson, when I read the lesson, you have to underline the words. That is, one is suburban of a place outside a city. And you can see the commuters, one who travels to workplace daily. One who travels to the workplace daily. And next one you can see the swam. So here we say swam. So swam means this is a collective noun. So here swam in this lesson gets the meaning rush. Hurtle is move fast, and tenors weak or shaky. Panic, suddenly feel frightened. Clattering, making a loud sound. Muffled, silenced, and a thud, low sound. Gasp, a deep breath taken when surprised. Emanate is come from, and impulsively without any thinking. Frantically with no hope, and weary means worried. So in this page you will have the page note. Now I am going to read the lesson, children. As I told you all, only four characters are in this. That is, Baleshwar Mishra is a high school dropout, 20 years old. He has come to Mumbai in search of job. And here Roma Talreja, she is a call center executive and she is 21 years old. She was working and she was very happy with the job. And Dinesh Talreja is Roma's brother who was working as a marketing executive. And the most important person in this lesson is, that is a tempo truck driver, and he is a Gujarati fellow who helped Baleshwar for the further thing, like further to take her to the hospital, everything. So now I am going to read the lesson, children. As the Mumbai suburban electric train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station, commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It's a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21-year-old call center executive Roma Talreja tried to settle into a corner near the door. The train hurtled ahead and Roma, jammed between two women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed, lost her tenor's foothold and panicked. Her hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only air, Roma was thrown out of the coach. The clattering roar of the train muffled the thud of a fall onto the ground more than a meter below. She was knocked senseless. Standing near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction, 20-year-old Baleshwar Mishra couldn't believe what he had just seen. A young woman in a black silver kameez lying next to the tracks. Meanwhile, gasps and screams emanated from his compartment. There's a girl by the tracks, the voices cried out. Impulsively, Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. The train screeched, slowing down. He then surveyed the compartment full of weary faces. Let's go and help her, he shouted. But nobody volunteered, afraid of getting involved, of being inconvenienced perhaps. So, shall we stop here, children? And I am going to explain you in the next class.